South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southwest of York, or near Sharon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near York and McConnells around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rock Hill and Newport around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tega Cay, Fort Mill, Carolines, and town of Lake Wylie around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Bullock Creek and Edgemoor. A brief, weak tornado is likely. Mobile homes could be flipped. Falling trees can cause death or serious injury, and major damage to houses. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester and York. The